Oh hi, I'm D Nugger. And I'm messing up with my phone. It's coming up. I'm just lying on the floor. I supposed to take a nap. I just the blizzard. The blizzard hit us. Hit me. Hit my house in the morning on last Monday, and I got a power outage. It was a disaster in the morning. I saw the blizzard in the morning. I almost hit the blizzard at 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm standing here with a Fetch 3000. Okay. It's gonna be four more episodes to go until season 3 until the next season, the new season.